Durable, 3.3 feet. Heavy-duty lightning cable with Aramid fiber for high tensile strength, increasing reliability. Life of cable. Long-lasting cable tested to withstand 10,000 plus bend cycles at 180 degrees, 5,000 plus insertions. Flexible cable. TPE jacket absorbs stress of frequent bends without damaging the core of the cable. Durable wire connector protects this charge sync cord from wear tear of frequent in-car use. Apple MFI certified. USB-A to Lightning adapter cable for guaranteed fast reliable charge, sync from USB Type-A charger port for Lightning devices including iPhone 12 Pro, Max, Mini, iPhone the 11th of August 11 Pro, iPhone XR, iPad Air, iPad Mini. Charge Lightning devices. Compatible with devices equipped with Lightning port, incl AirPods, Magic Keyboard, Magic Trackpad, Magic Mouse and Siri Remote. Cable specs. Length, 1 meter, 3.3 feet. Color. Black. Connectors, Lightning USB-A. Performance, USB 2.0 480 megabits per second. Reinforcement, Aramid fiber. Jacket type, TPE, Shield, Al Mylar. Top reviews from the United States. Durable. My husband has gone through too many cords to count. This has lasted the longest so far.